In the latest wave of sonic tech, researchers unveiled consumer fabrics embedded with tiny actuators that sculpt personal soundscapes. These smart textiles project directional audio from seamless fibers, letting a user hear music only for their ears without headphones. The system uses wireless sensors and adaptive algorithms to map room acoustics and cancel unwanted noise in real time. Prototypes promise privacy by local processing, reducing cloud reliance while maintaining illusions of surround sound in crowded spaces. Experts say this fusion of textile engineering and acoustics could redefine everyday listening, fashion, and inclusive audio design.